I'm going to show you how to create a quick video using PowerPoint. And the default value is this long thing. I usually just delete it because I like to start off my own. So, good. Now, I'm going to do a blank slide. Then we're going to go over to design the slide, change the size. You can do standard, widescreen, or custom. And this is where the fun starts. You want to start, you want the portrait version of the slide. That's straight up and down. And usually, you want to do 8 by 10. And now these will affect how things happen. You want to maximize or ensure the fit. I usually do maximize, but you can play around with that. So this is your vertical view. And first thing we're going to do is change the background. You have a solid color fill, gradient, picture fill, pattern fill. And for this demonstration, now they have certain pictures already set up. And you can use those if you want, or you can choose one from stock images or your own website. So just choose background. I have all kinds of backgrounds here. We're going to try an office setting first. And an empty desk is what we're looking for. Okay, here's an empty desk. There we go. There's some books over on the side. There's an empty desk. And we're going to insert some words. So this would be, the word art is kind of fancy and you can have fun with that, but it's just as easy to do word art or word text boxes. Now you probably want to do different text boxes so that you can treat them differently in the animation phase. So let's change this. Yeah, I like that font. And we'll make it bigger. And you can also do a bigger box this way. But let's see. Enjoy a good holiday romance. There we go. Then you can center it. As you can see, there's lines here to help you keep your stuff lined up and looking good. Or you can tilt it, of course, which I have a tendency to do. Now, just like in Canva, you can add shadows to your letters, but not as much. Then you can do animations. As I was trying to explain before, in PowerPoint, you have 3 types of animations. Those that happen when you just beginning, when you just open the page. Those that are in addition to the ones that are already added. And then those in red are the ones that happens on the way out when the slide changes or the scene ends or whatever. You can do a whole bunch of stuff and different animations for different things within this particular page, or you can add more pages. So we want to insert pictures from my device, download, and we are going to download this. Okay. Alright, so so why don't we add in one more picture from stock or online, and we'll do holiday wreath. Okay. Now, if you get the ones with the white backgrounds, they're usually transparent, and you can add them onto stuff. Okay. But if it's not transparent, you can picture format. This is something new. Remove the background, and then it makes it transparent for you. I'm going to put it then let's insert some bells. Again, we want to do the ones with the white backgrounds, and this one is already transparent, so we can move this to right there, put this on the desk. Hang that right there. What do you think? Okay, some of these pictures come with descriptions, and that lets you know that they are who contributed them. You can just delete them if they're free. Alright, one more thing. Let's see it. Open that up a little bit. Turn that over this way. Turn. There we go. Hang that on that word. We got one. Good thing is you can copy this and pictures. You can make them smaller for one thing. And then there we go. Okay. And then down at the bottom, we want to insert the link. To read. Okay. We will enter collection. We've got all of our elements on the page. Now we want to make them move, or we want them to appear first. So what we want to do, go to the animations, add animations. And the green ones are the ones that happen at the beginning. So we can choose different ones for each element. We want one to happen at the same animation together. You just highlight them. And then this one, we're going to bounce. This one, we're going to swivel. Okay, and then these, we want those. Now you can either make them appear or just leave them alone and they'll just be there. But I say at least have them come in. Okay. Now with PowerPoint, you can also change the order of animation. So if I wanted this one to happen earlier, I would just click on it and then just move it up. So now got one. Everybody's got one. Yeah, they've got one, they've got one, they've got one. This one's got one. Okay. Now, as a second layer of animation, you can add the yellow ones to give emphasis while you're talking or while you're talking over the screen. So this one will be shrink and grow. And then this one, teetering. And this one will say split. All right. Then to count down, we want to take each of them off. So that would be an added animation in the red. These are the exit ones. So shape, add animation, split, add animation, randomize. Then you want to grab these two together. Add animation, zoom out. This one, we don't want to leave the page. We want it to stay there, but you can make it move. Okay. And then this one, we can loop to loop for emphasis. Okay. Now we've got all of the animations coming and going. Now you have to record your slideshow from the beginning. And now PowerPoint allows you to also record video. But because I'm already using the video, it's already this Cameo here. But because I am recording this, I can't use the Cameo. The other thing is you can insert music, but I wouldn't recommend using PowerPoint to insert your music. When you upload the video to TikTok or Instagram or one of the others, they will allow you to add music to it. So, and Record from the beginning. Okay. There it is. There it is. Okay, start your recording. Well, gives you a countdown. Then you start with a clean slate. You just click your mouse on the page and wait for the effects to happen. And then once they're all done, it'll end the slideshow. Then all you have to do is export as a video. Okay. See how it goes. Okay. Your video is complete. This is 32 seconds long. Now you can upload it to your other social media accounts and you can add either music or you can do voice narration on top of it. It's just a nice way to do it. Okay, so